mind. An agile mind transforms.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day. Fellow Toastmasters and guests, I would like to begin with a question. How many of you feel overloaded with information and ideas and advertisements in your daily life? Show of hands. How many of you feel overwhelmed every day with all this kind of thing bombarding on your life? Right? Now, what that is it prevents something happening to you in your everyday life. It prevents you from thinking clearly. It prevents you from making good decisions. Basically what it does is it prevents you from what I call is having an agile mind. Agility is defined as quickness, as speed, as accuracy, flexibility. That is agility. An agile mind can make quick decisions, good decisions accurately. And today, it is my purpose to try to help you find a way to develop an agile mind for yourself. Right? That is the purpose of this speech. To understand how to cultivate an agile mind, you have to understand one concept called OODA. O-O-D-A. In the 1960s, a pilot and researcher for the United States Air Force came up with this concept called OODA. O-O-D-A. Observe, orient, decide, act. Observe, orient, decide, act. O-O-D-A. OODA. And I will be referring it to as OODA throughout my speech. He initially created this concept to help fighter pilots in the US Air Force make better decisions daily in their air-to-air combat. The idea was the OODA loop would create a faster decision-making process, faster than their enemies. But later on, the OODA concept was taken in different industries in different areas, business, in sports, in a lot of other industries. The OODA concept was assimilated. Now, what is important about observe, orient, decide, act? Whenever we make a decision, we do this almost automatically. We don't realize that we are going through these steps. Now imagine two basketball players, one with the ball, one without. They're coming at each other, dribbling. Now while they're coming at each other, they're constantly going through these OODA loops of their own. They're observing, orienting themselves, taking a decision, acting. And it's happening fast. Now among these two basketball players, who do you think will win this encounter? The one with a better OODA loop, one with a faster OODA loop, the one who observes, orients, decides and acts faster than the other, right? Let's take an example from your working life. You are in competition for a post with a colleague. Why will your boss give you this job? When you can prove to your boss that you can take better decisions and do more work. Ultimately, what are you convincing your boss of? That you have a better OODA loop than your competitors. That you can observe, orient, decide and act faster and more accurately than the others. And that is the whole concept of the OODA loop. Now, another area which you can use OODA loop is in when you are wooing a girl. When you have many suitors, who is the girl going to choose? A guy with a better OODA loop. So you see, it appears in all areas of our life, whether we know it or not. So that was the basic crux of the OODA loop, which is important to develop an agile mind. Why I was giving you this background is that when I refer to it, you will understand it, assimilate it. Now, coming back to the agile mind. A mind which takes decision faster, more clearly, more accurately. I have a few suggestions to help you speed up your OODA loop and make your mind more agile. The first suggestion, remove clutter and nuisance value from your life. First suggestion, avoid clutter and nuisance. How many of you have seen the movie Ab Tak Chhappan? Raise a show of hands. Ab Tak Chhappan? Nana Patekar? Surprise, very good movie. In that, he plays a police officer who confronts the Don in Dubai. And the Don says, I have power I have this bungalow, I have my guards, I have my car, I have clothes, I have money, I have power. Sadhu Agashe, the officer, this Nana Patekar place, he simply laughs at him and says, this is all nuisance value. Real power is not in all these things. Throughout our life, we collect all kinds of things which clutter our life. Not only physical, I am talking about mental things also, like promises which you don't intend to keep, or promises which you have no hope of keeping. A lot of things where you've given your word or you've said something, all this is there in your mind, it forms clutter. Get rid of it, jettison it. An agile mind needs a clear space in your mind to take decisions. Your OODA loop will run faster if your mind is less cluttered. My second suggestion is a little surprise you a bit. Second suggestion is honesty. People who lie and people who are dishonest have to keep a lot of stories straight in their minds. When you lie to somebody, you have to always remember that you lied to him, because if you meet him with somebody else and that lie gets uncovered, it's a mess. So if you're living a life with honesty and you have no worries about who you said to what, your OODA loop will run faster when you have to take a decision. There is a saying, a clear conscience is the softest pillow. Get good sleep at night, mind will work better. And my last and final suggestion out of the 3 suggestions I'm giving for improving your OODA loop is quite simple and everybody knows it. Practice, practice, practice. Practice what you want to be good at. When you see Sachin Tendulkar facing a ball in cricket, you realize him taking a swing, but you don't realize that he's actually gone through his OODA loop fast. He has observed the bowler, he's oriented himself, he's decided what to play, and then he takes the shot. Why is it so effortless for him? Because practice, practice, practice. His OODA loop runs without you even knowing it. So in conclusion, for agile mind to have a fast OODA loop, remove the clutter, honesty, and practice. Thank you very much. Hope it's been useful.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Ron.